We're replacing a old-fashioned, inefficient, heavy, hard to repair, hard to get parts for Ford engine in this old convertible T-Bird. We've already done all the body and paint and interior work. The mechanical work is being done now. The old Ford engine we're taking out, and we're going to replace it with a Chevy fuel-injected engine strictly for financial reasons. The owner of this car is not interested in any ceremonies and any religion here. He doesn't care what brand of motor, and it's just least expensive to put a Chevy fuel-injected motor in this car. That'll get him down the road the most dependably and the least expensive way possible. The original '66 Ford was carbureted. All modern cars are fuel injected. Fuel injection is more efficient. It burns less fuel. It makes more power for that less fuel, and it's more dependable. It starts on a cold morning. It starts on a hot afternoon. It always works. It's always dependable. This customer doesn't know anything about engines. He's only interested in dependability, drivability, and expense. So the Chevy small block fuel injected upgrade is the best choice for him.